English alphabet, capital letter A to Z. A for award, AWARD, award. B for breakfast, BREAKFAST, breakfast. C for clock, CLOCK, clock. D for dress, DRESS, dress. E for envelope, ENVELOPE, envelope. F for field, FIELD, field. G for girl, GIRL, girl. H for horn, HORN, horn. I for India, INDIA, India. J for joyful, JOYFUL, joyful. K for kid, KID, kid. L for lock, LOCK, lock. M for milk, MILK, milk. N for nurse, NURSE, nurse. O for open, OPEN, open. P for peacock, PEACOCK, peacock. Q for quiet, QUIET, quiet. R for roaster, ROOSTER, roaster. S for sandwich, SANDWICH, sandwich. T for teacher, TEACHER, teacher. U for uniform, UNIFORM, uniform. V for vowels, VOWELS, vowels. W for watch, WATCH, watch. X for Xmas tree, XMASTREE, Xmas tree. Y for yummy, YUMMY, yummy. Z for zero, ZERO, zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.